Jesse Reynolds currently faces 10 charges, including aggravated felonious sexual assault, domestic violence. Back in 2016, prosecutors say he lured teenage girls to his Nashua home and sexually assaulted them. His lawyer, Stephen Roscan, telling the judge Friday, since the state failed to turn over materials, including alleged victims' interviews in a timely manner, there should be consequences.
While I recognize that this would be an unusual remedy, I think bail is appropriate. Mr. Reynolds is 43 years old. He has no prior record.
The state noted because there are a number of victims and because of their age, it took a while to make sure the proper redactions were made.
I don't think there was any significant delay here. I think we're talking about a number of days. I think the state worked diligently to process the discovery and get it to the defense.
The prosecution adding that they turned over the discovery to the defense Friday morning. Roscan says he believes that material will contain some information favorable to their case known as Brady material.
Brady material that would be relevant to whether or not preventative detention is appropriate.
And because of that, Roscan requested the judge schedule a hearing so they could present their case, that Reynolds deserves to be free while he awaits trial, a motion that the judge granted. Up next in this case is an evidentiary and bail hearing, which is scheduled for April 18th at 1:30. That's expected to take about 2 hours. In Nashua, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.